Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix update not showing in iOS 18 beta. So to do this is pretty simple. First, of course, you'll have to go to applebeta.apple.com. From there, they will be releasing the new iOS 18 beta for iPad, macOS, and TV, HomePod, and Watch. And most importantly, your iOS 18. So sign up and sign in so that you'll be able to access the beta for every type of program. So go to your settings, go to general, and then hit software update. From software update, you will go to beta updates and turn it on. And then as you can see right here, I'm in iOS 18 and there you go. So basically there's going to be some problems when you're going to update this. This is not fully usable really. There's some bugs that I've seen recently. So here, as you can see, I'm using my iOS 18, some cool new features. So basically just actually go ahead and try it if you want to, but do back up your device before you do so. So once you have downloaded it, there's going to be some issues, and some issues are storage issues and verifying update. So you just have to restart the phone and do it over again so that you'll be able to update your phone. So there you go guys. If this was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.